Hello. We're back with more Godot game dev. Okay, so not gonna bother explaining too much, just gonna cut things short in terms of introducing myself. Well, you may hear a noise a bit or two because my little Roomba is doing its great work at keeping my house clean. So yeah, it's been a long busy day, so it's late. I don't have much time to code and stream and all that, but anyways, let's get going. We gotta cook. Okay, so honestly right now main isn't doing much, but that is fine. Player, we've got it all going. Position is updating. Collide or something. If areas in group speaker. Okay. So what I need to do now is to actually have the corals call in, sorry, the speaker call in corals, right? So as of now, I do not have a coral thingy yet, so I'm gonna make a coral node. Same thing, it's gonna be in a 2D area, and it's gonna have animated 2D sprite, and it's also going to have a collision shape 2D. Doesn't have to be hot nested in there. Okay, so I don't even know what texture to give it. Can I just throw in a shape as a texture? I'm just gonna give it a polygon shape, huh? Wait, no, didn't mean that. Wow. This is interesting. Where's my shape even? I have no idea how this is working. Oh, it's a line now. Okay. I literally just wrote a line. Okay, you know what? Screw that. This is too complex. Let's just give something simple. Capsule shape. I'll just give it a simple circle shape. Why not? Okay, maybe you're way too big right now. Not sure what's the sizing like. Hold on. I should do a 100%. Yeah, so I know roughly that's what I'm looking at. Let's start with a simple one like this. I need to give it a sprite. I don't have anything at the moment. So, whoops, didn't mean to do that. Nope. Just delete this animation itself. Okay, time to make a new round circle that will be a sprite for my corals. Simple, clean. Let's just go with like pink, reddish pink, like coral color. Oh, this is a nice color. You can't really see it, but that's fine. You will see it eventually. Okay, let's just get this going. Fantastic, it's looking good. I'm just gonna do this and crop the selection, save this as a placeholder coral, There we go. Done's. Now to actually just put it inside the project. Wow, what's this song? I don't remember it. It's so... Oh, it's just Totoro. Interlude, but okay. I wonder if you guys can actually hear the song in the background, but mostly it's for myself anyways. Okay, I'm just gonna drag you in here. Wow, the size is actually about there. I'm amazed. That was pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna call this Coral. Save this. Save. And I'm gonna drag Coral into the scene. Bam. Now my only issue is how do I make a grid out of this, right? You know what, that's fine. One step at a time. One step at a time. Coral only needs two things, right? It either gets called in or it gets destroyed. It can get eaten up by other animals. So I guess it needs the function to be eaten. Yeah. And then I can do the instantiate path for it as well, like the trash. Is that absolutely necessary? You know what? I would actually do that. Wrong thing. I just need to delete. Delete this node, yes. But I will still attach a script here. And it will actually be quite similar. Just need, instead of clean, I'm gonna call it eaten. And that just queues it free. Okay, that's all we really need. Right, what do we need? So we need a... We need a similar one for our coral. So I haven't exported the variable. Export var coral scene pack scene. There we go. So it can instantiate. Coral position will be, let's just put it 500, 700. Wait, if I want to change it on the x-axis, no, left right should be x-axis, which should be this. At child coral. Okay, then at the start, this coral probably also has to hide itself, right? No? Oh right, no, because it wasn't even in the scene in the first place. Yeah. Okay, let's just have a look and see what happens. Crashed. Can't instantiate on a null value. It's not a packed scene. Really? Huh. Wait a minute, what? What did I miss? Oh, hold up. Did I not add the pack scene over here? I think that's the thing. There we go. Oh gosh, why did I? No. Clear. Quick load. Coral. There we go. I was being dumb. I forgot to actually include that. Yes, it's now here. Okay, so collided with something. Very good. So I'm gonna now set the coral into a group called coral, and on my player side, if area is in group coral collided with coral. This is just a test. I don't actually need this. Corals shouldn't have this effect, at least not by the player. Okay, it's working, the group's working. Okay, very good. So, there. Coral is in. But now what I want to do is instantiate it only when the song has been played. So now I need to go to the timer? Speaker timeout music played emit. Yes. Phew. Okay, so this function only gets called when speaker is emitting finish. So that's where I'm going to signal speaker timer on speaker timer timeout. Music played, yeah, music played emit. So signal music played. Okay, so is it on main? Gosh, I don't know where's the music. Music play is here. Okay, music play goes over to main. Yep. And when this is played, I will just put in this. Okay, here we go. Let's just test this out. So after 2 seconds of waiting, bam, the corals arrived. There we go. And if I do it again, it should spawn another one, but we can't see the difference because they're spawning on the exact same spot. So now what I want to do is just make some kind of grid system. A simple grid system so that I can spawn things in accordance to the grid perhaps. I'm just gonna make like a row of like 4 maybe, just to keep it simple. But here's the thing, I do not really know where to start. I guess I'm just gonna work on the vectors. Okay, think about it. Just gonna raise the volume of the music a little bit. Drown out my thoughts. Wait, I need my thoughts. Hold on. Sorry, never mind. Ignore that. Okay. Grid. If I need to make a grid, right? Do I make it as part of the main script? Or do I make a spawner, a node? Huh. Do I make a node? That can spawn stuff? if I put the grid system in here, it's easy for me to just reference. And it is a core component again, so you know what? I'm just gonna keep it here. But the thing is, what function is it going to be? Is it going to be a function? Will it take physical space? Do I need a list? Oh gosh. It's just gonna be a bunch of variables? Okay, upon ready, I'm thinking I need to use a for loop. Okay, it needs a variable. Oh gosh, how do I do this? So thinking out loud, I'm probably gonna need like a what am I gonna need? I'm going to need something that can tell me rows and something that can tell me columns. So these are probably variables. So if I'm going to stick with a single row for now, so I only need the columns, right? So what can tell me columns is basically this I in 4. So my variable is columns. Variable columns equals I. So can I make a spot? Does it work this way? I equals huh. Does it work this way? Column I equals I multiplied by, say, no, wait, I need to say it's a vector first. Right, I need it to be a vector. Okay. But how do I? Alright, hold on. Var column equals vector 2.0. Okay, so I've got this column as a variable already. My only question is, can I multi-instance it? Like, is this one variable enough? Like, or do I need a variable for each grid? Okay, can it be dynamic? Oh. Well, I guess I can try. Expected end of statement after variable declaration. Right. Wait, it's a vector, right? So why is it not able to take an x coordinate? Oh, hold on. I should just do this. Because it's not a new... Yeah, it's not a new variable. And then column equals... I'm just gonna stick to 500 for now. Yeah. And then... it's gonna repeat 4 times. So I need to save this as a individual... save this individually. Column 1 equals column. That kind of is very stupid. Unless I do like this? No, I cannot. I can't make a dynamic variable. This sentence makes no sense, but you know what, let me make a function for this so I don't confuse myself too much. So function spawn trash. Yeah, sure. Then I'll just copy this over, paste this over. I'll delete this for now. Can I just do this then? So that is spawn forth trash like that, there and that. No, it does not. Wait, hold on. Oh my gosh, there's 4 trash on the same spot right now. Wait, do I need to... Hold on. The for loop. Let me go and read about the for loop. There's some... I think there's some stuff I do need to follow up on. Huh. It should work though. Wait, no, because damn it, this... Why did I do this? I need to change this. Trash dot position equals to column dot position? Because column now has Values. Okay, it crashed. There's a bit of fluff flying around in the air, which is annoying. Okay. Invalid get position based on base vector 2. Vector 2 doesn't have position? Huh. Hold on a minute. Okay, so it spawns in a weird place now, but print okay, I got a 0, 100, 200, 300, so it is somewhat working. This speaker is currently being spawned on where is the speaker being spawned on? I don't remember. Speaker on the inspector. Where's your transform? You're about 974 and 282, which I can change to like a nice number like 1300. Just for lols. Okay, so I know that an X of 1000 is like here, so they should at least be somewhere around like. Okay, if I use the multiples of 200, let me also use a +1 here, right? So it starts from 1. Okay. So if we're looking at 500Y, it should be somewhere below in this bottom row. And the I should be like, if I use 200, so it should be like 200, 400, 600, 800. So it should be around here, like in this line of things. The only thing is that they're all spawning at the top now. But this doesn't have a position. Why? Can I not use position like this? Yep, it does not work. Why does vector 2 not have a position? I'm confused. Wait, check it out. Look, it can spawn these coordinates for me. There's X, there's a Y. So why is it not a position? Huh. Okay. Vector 2, 0, 0. Yeah, position is a vector 2. Can I just get position? Cannot? No? Get position. Does not work. So my dear column here can contain x, y values because it's a vector to 0, but I can't get its position. That's hella confusing. What if I do like a set position? Huh. That's weird though. Right, receive 2 arguments, it should be 1. Okay. Wait, no, not this. Does this work? No, it doesn't. It's void. Why is it not a vector? Vector. It's a vector. Variable loses vector after assigning position. Hold on, I need to specify Godot. Running a function with vector change inside process issue. I'm following the blah 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 changes a process called inside process look a little cleaner than it's not. Once I move the logic back to process it works, I can't understand why. Oh. Velocity is a function variable. No, this doesn't really answer my question. Am I missing something? Unless... Wait, maybe the way I'm setting it as a vector is not correct. Very much maybe. Can I just check the code? Code checkpoint. Where's the code checkpoint? vector. Maybe I shouldn't be using a vector but using like coordinates. No, that's not right. Floating point coordinates. This the position setting player starts with. Maybe that's right. Wait, maybe I can look at spawning the enemy, because the enemy spawning was also related to vectors, right? Position, mod position is mod spawn location, position. Yeah, they just use position, like dot position as is. Although what contains the position? Let's take a look. So it's actually not using vector. It's just using position straight off the bat. So maybe I can't use vector. Maybe I just use position? Does that work? Huh? Okay, apparently it doesn't crash. So let me just double check. Does position just mean a type of now that isn't quite right. Wait, hold on. The player's position, right, is over here. Start position. Marker 2D. Set a start position node 2. So they hard coded that. And they use the marker to start it. Right, so technically I can just use markers to do it. But you know what, let's just try and see what happens. So I have this now. I'm not sure if this is gonna work or not, but let's just take a look. Okay, it doesn't work. Base invalid on base 2 vector 2. Yes, it needs to be a vector 2. don't get it. Why wouldn't it let me? Invalid get index. Invalid index, get index position. Okay, so it knows it's a vector too, right? But vector 2 should have positions. So that's what confuses me. Accessible using the index position 0, also accessible using index position 1. Constructs a vector 2 as a copy from given vector 2. What if I try this? Oh no, then I should do this as column? That doesn't make sense. Yeah, that's a oh, this becomes a function. No. Absolute method descriptions. Clamp cell cross, cubic, direction 2, dot, floor, length limit. Oh gosh, so many stuff. Must I specifically say things like is there a way for me to check if it's a vector? I believe there is. So Operator is not. Is column I don't even know how to do a test. If I just print column, like what I did just now, I should just get a bunch of columns. Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8. They are proper coordinates, so why is it not? After assigning coordinates, variable loses vector Godot. Okay, this doesn't look like it helps. I'm not sure why. Oh gosh, why? Why is position not working? Why? Godot, why is position not working on vector 2? I want to use raycast. It's colliding, not a position. Setting a vector to a position gives you an error, but setting x and y separately works well, isn't it? Setting vector during a position gives an error, but setting x and y separately. Huh. So yeah, so interestingly, that's interesting. So someone else did have the same, oh gosh, the animations. Someone actually had the same issue. And this is actually March 24th. It's just 3 months back. Right. So okay, that semi-worked, but not really. What exactly happened there? So I got a bunch of stuff. My columns are right, but they also there's only one instance being spawned? What? Huh. Interesting. Why are they all spawned at like the same spot? And the best part is let's see what this does. Oh damn. I had a typo here. No wonder it's getting issues. There we go. Oh my gosh, finally. Can I collide two things at once? Oh no, it only collides one. Oh, that's good. I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay, okay. And now this can call Korean. Okay. That's great. Finally. Okay, this is weird. Not being able to store positions as vectors is interesting. Unless I do something like, you know, let me try something just for the sake of it. Right, gotta close the bracket here. And something still wrong? Expected closing of this is for this. This is for the, oh wait, there's an additional one. Yeah. Huh. You can't read I like this, huh? It probably can actually. Well, position is a vector, so this might. Yeah, this needs to be. Oh, do I need to put like this? Okay, so. If I do it this way then, does this work? Invalid set with value type of vector 2. Okay, fine. So if I remove this, is still doesn't work. Although technically it's closed. I don't get it. Unless I have to do a that's weird. Right, let me just comment this out first and uncomment this too, just so I can get it back to working condition. And let me then also just print column before these guys actually do stuff. Yeah, that's right, it's a 0, 0 vector. Yeah, why? Why is this weird? I guess vector contains direction in which positions do not, so that's where it kind of messes up. You know what? I'm not gonna bother. This is so be it. So be it. Okay, I'm gonna simplify it into a something like this. Starting trash. I'm gonna cut and paste this over. There we go. You know what, let me also just how do I make a public variable again? I forgot. Jeez, something to do with the speed, I remember. Export variable, yes, correct, that's right, it's here. So export variable trash count. I need to set a number equals 4. Then just copy this over. Okay, so this should look, yep, they work. Okay, maybe let's just use 150 rather than 250. Okay, no, my bad. 225. So there's at least some space between them. Let me also shrink the trash size. It's a little too big. Scale 0.75. Just a little bit smaller. Okay, it's manageable now. Alright, for now I'm just gonna put trash count as Whoa, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna leave one space open, and the point on adding child coral, I'm gonna separate into a new function, which is function spawn coral. So this is where this actually comes in. Right, I forgot about this. So first thing is we gotta check if there's empty places, right? So how do we check their empty positions though? Oh, this is definitely a Pokemon song. Yep, Little Root Town. Very nice. I guess I need to be able to store the position of them being freed. So I guess that goes back down to the player. Trash cleaned. Before that, I need to store the position first. Or I can just run a check upon the spawn itself. There are child enter ready rename replacing. Oh boy, I need a system that can tell me if... Okay, you know what, one step at a time. First and foremost, I know that I can remove the trash. Okay, 4 seconds is a long wait. I might want to cut that down just for this testing purposes. Okay, I know I can spawn this. Yes. So I just need to know that it has to spawn on areas where there's no trash. I can use markers. Oh my gosh, I just had a sudden idea. What if all of them were just the same object? They only changed in terms of the appearance? So like the state, oh. So if the state is like trash, you can't transform. But if it's empty state, it can transform into the coral. Oh, that's an interesting thought. Huh. So how do I... I think I do need some kind of marker or thing to work it out after all. Yeah. For now, I can just do a simple for loop as well. Just so that at least it can spawn in. Wait, no. Can that not be a vector too? Huh. Wait, it's not trash count for I in... Oh yeah, it is trash count. Oh, jeez, you can't take a vector like this. Does this work now? Oh gosh, that's so terrible, it works. Okay. One sec, why is there a coral spawning at the top? It's a vector too, why is it not? Oh gosh, why? In any case, let me just test the other logic first. Nope, they're not playing. They're not spawning, but maybe it's because they're all spawning on top here. Yep, the whole bunch of them spawned up there. Okay, so vector broke. What if I change it to read integer instead? Can I have not float? float. X and Y. Then would this work? Oops. Ah, gosh. Nope, they're all still stuck up there. Why? Alright, cause I didn't put the position in this add chart. Oh gosh, I was so dumb, I missed out that line. Okay, let's just hide this first so I don't get myself confused. Yeah, there we go. So actually the vector thing could have worked, huh? Could it? Gosh, I don't know. Maybe I should stop deleting stuff and just use commenting out instead and delete only when I'm very, very certain. Because I really want to try that thing. Okay, so let's try this once again. So I do need this underscore column thing. Is that how this will work? Who knows? Let's just give it a go. Okay, so at least the initial one works. Oh my gosh, it does work. Holy hell, it works. So you have to first combine it specifically into a vector for it to work. Oh my gosh. So I could actually do it for the trash as well. Oh shit. Spawn trash position. Would this work? Let's hope this works. No, it does not work. Alright, I need this here as well. Spawn trash. Oh, should this be up here? Sorry. Wait, hold up. No. What is it for the corals? The corals are at child position, function spawn coral. I've taken this to the vector 2, so I create the vector 2 here and then I spawn it. So if I do a column here, it would work. But the spawn trash needs to take in a vector 2 here. Then I can comment this out. Nope, broke it. Ah, jeez. Spawn trash. Right. I do need the trash dot position equals to vector 2. There we go. It should work now. Yes. I am problem solving for whatever reason, I do not know, because I don't even know if this logic will actually come to play. The main thing is I need to find ways to detect which part of the grid is empty. I might just have to use like marker 2Ds or something like that. Position hint for editing. I guess if I set positions for the markers and then use the markers to detect the hit. But what are the size of the markers? Can I change the size of the marker? I can. Okay, I'm tired. I'm yawning already. I may or may not need it, but I'm just gonna leave it here first. I'm gonna commit my work and call it a day. Yeah, next time I'm gonna need to work on like bad fishies that are going to eat the coral, so you know, let's just set the scene quickly. 2D once again. I'm gonna need an collision shape, and I'm also gonna need a animated sprite. There we go. So this is going to simply be a... Oh wait, it's gonna be under the sprite. I'm just gonna make a quick triangle. Make it scarily red. And I'm going to crop the selection. Gonna add that in here. I'm just gonna put that in the sprite. Wrong thing. Yep, there we go. And I'm just gonna rotate it by 90 degrees. Just gonna call it fish. Collision shape is going to be a how do I do this? You know, I'm just gonna use a circle. Okay, maybe the sprite needs to move a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. And for the shape, maybe not a circle, but a rectangle? That feels a little mad though. Capsule, perhaps? Oh, that looks kind of weird, but you know what, that's fine. Okay. So far so good. It's getting late. I do need to go and rest. Just going to commit all this stuff like I said, and I will be done. I feel like doing more stuff though. I'm kinda in the zone, but okay, you know what, let me just get a timer to spawn in the fish. Fish spawner. Fish timer. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna maybe make it like currently 2 seconds for now. It's gonna start automatically, and on timeout we're gonna start instantiating fish. So once again, gonna get the fish scene in. Okay, so I do want to determine the position of the fish, right? So fish dot position equals you know what, let me just do it manually first. Random integer range from 100 to, let's say this is the X, am I right? So 100 to 1000 is fine. And for the Y, let's just put it at, yeah, 100 to 1000 is also fine. Let's just see if that works. Okay, it crashes. Cannot instantiate on a null value. Fish scene is null. Right, I forgot to put the scene in, that's right. I am dumb as usual. Quick load, let's do a fish in. There we go. Let's try that again. There we go, a fish has appeared. And a fish has appeared. And a fish has appeared. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, so we get the fish spawning. That's just for now. I will get a proper spawning going eventually, and it's gonna have a little bit of like logic behind it, but for now this will be it. So I'm just gonna quickly commit my saves and we should be good to go. Speaking of which, I forgot to actually check if there's any commits that I should be pulling, but it's a bit late. Okay, it's fine. Okay, anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I'm just gonna save and commit my stuffs. If you're still around, that is. And for now, let's check if there's anyone to raid. Yeah, I can hop over to Slime. And I'll be gone. So have a great night or day wherever you may be, and I'll see you all in the next one, probably tomorrow. I do need to get this done before like Saturday. See ya!